I'm so excited to hear from Dr. Yin.
Yes.
As a CEO of one of the leading genomics research corporations in the world, what do you see as the future of genomics, personalized medicine, and precision health? And what do you think is the role of AI and ChatGPT? What do you think, what role will they play in all these advancements?
Okay, thank you. First of all, I'd like to show my thankful for the president from SFDA. Thank you for your trust. At the very beginning, during the pandemic in 2020, April, May, around there, you trust us.
Yes.
So we just set up over 500 technicians come to your kingdom and build up the we call the Huyan laboratories to help to do only the PCR test. But we use the same standard. We use the same validation and verification. So we just keep the result bilateral recognized. It's very helpful, I think, to control the pandemic. Before that, the experiment totally lasted 21 months and finished 18 million samples already. But now we just do the upgrade from the only PCR test to the genetics test, genomics test, other omics tests. We just build up a GV laboratories we call the GenLife. This is the largest omics lab, clinical lab already here. Wow. Last Friday, the open ceremony. So we can see the trends from the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Not only the digital twins, but also reality twins. When you talk about, how about I think about the genomics? Let's look back for the first human genome project. That means United States, UK, Germany, France, Japan, and China. BGI just on behalf of China to take part in this project. This project, our world, the scientists, it takes 13 years, $3.8 billion US, 16 different institutions only finished one human genome. But today, we just take several hours, and the reagent cost is as low as only $99 US. You can get your whole genome resequencing. So when we talk about the big data, about AI, about GPT, about the maybe metaverse, I just think it's the very beginning about the, this digital society is coming. So when we talk about the AI, 3 pillars we needed. The first is data, then is computing power. Third is algorithm. For us, for biotech, the data is not enough. Look back, compared to other technologies, for example, for electricity, 90% people can enjoy it. About internet, 60% people can enjoy it. But about genetic or genomics data, only 0.03% people already can enjoy it. So it's a large space for get more data. Then we just seek the data is large enough. We will see the conclusion drop out from the noise. We will see the signal we called emergency in life science. And on the other hand, in the pandemic, one thing I think mankind should be touched. If we do not share the technologies, we do not share the public health applications, vaccines, IVD kits, the virus will definitely occupy the world. People must, as a whole, not just separated region to region, country to country. So we must keep the cutting-edge technologies affordable, accessible, equitable. This is a very, very important thing. The niche technologies is not only for the rich man, it's not only for the, the money. It must by the human nature, by the humanity, that more people can enjoy it. That's the future of the mankind, of the human being. So I think with the combined the 3 factors, the first is affordable, accessible, equitable technologies. Second is strong organizations, just what you have done as FDA. And the third is about widespread scientific popularization. We must let people have the correct idea about the, biotech, life science, not so many conspiracies. I think combine the three things as a whole, we will immediately see the effect for the people, of the people, by the people, share with people. And I do believe we can make great breakthrough contribution to the public scientific literacy, public health benefits, and we will increase the average life expectancy. That's my 2 cents. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I love everything you said. I just want to recap on a few things. So you said that gene sequencing is now costs $99. Can you tell everyone how much did it cost just a few years ago?
I think maybe sequencing will be free, but the data mining will be a next necessary thing. So I think all of us will start to learn a new language. We call it life language. It's the real natural language. Now we call the natural language is just the human language. It's not the God language. The God language is DNA. Plants, animal, microbeing, human being, we just use the same language. We just learn how to know the grammar, how to do the interpretation for yourself. When we talk about the 4P medicine, prediction, precaution, personalized, and participation, and I think the most thing is the last thing, participation. You are your own, first responsibility of your own healthcare. That's it.
Absolutely. On healthcare equity, I just want to share that the WHO defines healthcare equity as a basic human right. So making healthcare affordable and accessible is a basic human need and right. So yes, 100%. And I think the third big theme that you highlighted, Dr. Yin, is the real-life example of the partnership between BGI, a Chinese company, and Saudi Arabia during the pandemic that really forced us to push borders and do everything that we can to serve humanity.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Yin.
Yeah, I have no doubt about achievement we can reach, but I'm concerned, on the other hand, about the technology development. The Earth is not only human being.
True.
The Earth can exist without a human being, but a human being cannot exist without the Earth. So I think, people like us who do biotech, especially about the gene editing, should have fear and respect the human nature and bear in mind the human nature. The humanity without technology might be ignorant. However, the technology without humanity must be dangerous. This is I want to emphasize. Thank you.